to Cooking with Fiona, episode 12. Can you stand it? It's quite unreal. Anyway, this morning we are going to be making what is called Instant Pot Cranberry Pork Tenderloin. Well, an Instant Pot is a device, as you see in front of me, combination of a crock pot and a pressure cooker. So I searched for this utensil, cooking utensil, and found it here in Bermuda, which was great. So how we're going to do it, we're going to do it in two sections. So we're going to melt butter, a tablespoon of butter, and then we're going to slowly brown 4 teaspoons of garlic. You know, I love garlic. I'm always using garlic. It's so good for you. It keeps the devils away, as I say. So we're going to melt that up. And once that butter is melted, then we are going to add the garlic. There we go. And that's got to cook for about a good minute. Let's talk about the pork tenderloin ingredients. It's got a number of ingredients. It's got cranberry sauce, it's got cranapple juice, it has fresh thyme, dried sweetened cranberries, even 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, apple cider, and you thicken it with cornstarch. So consider this recipe something that you could use for Thanksgiving. And then we add our cranapple juice. All these lovely little flavors. Got them mixed up, and we add all these ingredients, a tablespoon of thyme, I've just added the sweetened cranberries to this. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of ketchup, which is unusual, but this is the recipe. And then we're going to add the brown sugar, which is 2 tablespoons. And then we're going to add the vinegar, which is apple cider vinegar, and a tablespoon of that. So basically we're going to boil all this down. And then once it's boiled down, we'll take about 1/4 cup of it out, and then we'll mix a tablespoon of cornstarch in there. So it's got to boil down a little bit. A few minutes later.
A few moments later.
So let's get into my real estate life. Are you interested in listing or selling your property, your land or your house? I would be very happy to walk you through this complex process. And one of the things that I will do will be what is called a CMA. And a CMA is a comparative market analysis, which will give you the fair market value for your land or your house. So call me, 534-9932. I've been doing this business for 36 years, so I really know what I'm doing. Look forward to hearing from you. Thank you. So we have now done our 10 minutes in the Instant Pot, and we have to release any pressure that is still present in the pot. And you do that simply by turning this knob, and there's no more pressure coming out. Okay? So we take off the top, and there we go. Voila! This is the tenderloin, which is going to cook even more when it's out of the pot. And then we're going to cut it very thinly and then cover it with all of this delicious cranberry sauce and juice and garlic and thyme and Lord knows everything that we've talked about in this show. So here we are, we're all finished. And here is the cranberry pork tenderloin. I decorated it with rosemary because it makes it pretty and green. But this is a dish that you would use, as I mentioned initially, for Thanksgiving, Christmas, or even a Sunday night dinner. It's really, really special. So enjoy it, and if you need any recipes, call me 534-9932 or text me on that number. Look for me on YouTube, Cooking with Fiona, Coldwell Banker. This is our 12th session and episode, and we have one more, 13, to finish off this year. I look forward to seeing you next month on Cooking with Fiona, and have a lovely day. It's so nice to chat with you all on this channel, and follow me. Lots of people are. Look forward to it. Bye for now.
Please call Fiona Hatfield on 534-9932 or email at fhatfield@brcl.bm.